Hey there, baking enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting baking adventure. Ready to make a show-stopping red velvet cake that will wow your friends and family? I'm going to guide you step by step through this delightful process, so let's dive right in and get started. First things first, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This is crucial for even baking, and grease your cake pans thoroughly to ensure your cake doesn't stick. Grab two 9-inch pans and line the bottoms with parchment paper. This will make it easier to remove the cakes later. Now let's get those cake layers started. This is where the magic begins. In a medium bowl, whisk together 2½ cups of all-purpose flour. Make sure it's well sifted to avoid lumps. Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Set that aside for now. Next, in a large mixing bowl, beat 1½ cups of sugar and 1 cup of vegetable oil until well combined. This will give your cake a moist texture. Add 2 large eggs, one at a time, beating after each addition. This ensures a smooth batter. Now it's time for the magic ingredient, red food coloring. This gives the cake its signature look. Add 1 ounce of red food coloring. You can adjust the amount based on how vibrant you want the color. Add a teaspoon of vanilla extract for flavor and a teaspoon of white vinegar to enhance the color. Mix until everything is beautifully red and well combined. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, mixing gently to avoid overworking the batter, alternating with 1 cup of buttermilk. This will make your cake tender and moist. Start and end with the dry mixture to ensure everything is well incorporated. Mix gently until it's all combined. The key here is to be gentle. Be careful not to overmix. Overmixing can make the cake dense. Divide the batter evenly between your prepared cake pans. Use a spatula to spread it out evenly. Pop them into the oven and bake for about 30 to 35 minutes, keeping an eye on them as they bake, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. This is how you know they're done. Let the cakes cool in the pans for 10 minutes. This helps them set. Then transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. Cooling completely is crucial before frosting. Now let's make the cream cheese frosting. This is what makes the cake extra special. In a large bowl, beat together 8 ounces of softened cream cheese. Make sure it's at room temperature for easy mixing. Half a cup of softened butter, also at room temperature, and 4 cups of powdered sugar until smooth and fluffy. This will take a few minutes. Add a teaspoon of vanilla extract and mix well. This adds a lovely flavor to the frosting. Once your cakes are completely cool, it's time to assemble. This is the fun part. Place 1 cake layer on your serving plate. Make sure it's centered. Spread a generous amount of frosting on top. Don't be shy with the frosting. Then place the second cake layer on top of that. Press down gently to secure it. Frost the top and sides of the cake with the remaining frosting. For a finishing touch, smooth it out with a spatula. You can decorate with cake crumbs, berries, or any other toppings you like, or even a drizzle of chocolate. The possibilities are endless. Don't be afraid to get creative. This is your masterpiece, and there you have it, a gorgeous, delicious red velvet cake that's sure to impress everyone who sees it. Thanks for baking with me today. I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I did. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. And hit that notification bell for more yummy recipes. Happy baking, and see you next time.